Today, let's talk about an ancient concept which bedrocks our societal and spiritual obligations, which are inherent from the Veda. Yes, I am talking about the rin or the debt. According to the Shatpat Brahman and the Taittiriya Samhita, every child has 5 inherent debts. In spiritual practices, they are called debts. These debts are our inherent responsibilities that we must strive to repay throughout our lives. तो चलिए जानते हैं ये 5 ऋण कौन कौन से हैं। First is the Deva Rin. This is the rin that we repay to the energies, to the nature. How we can repay this? We can repay this by being conscious of how to be in sync with the nature, how to be in sync with the universe, the energies. आजकल आपने ये जो है बहुत सुना होगा ये concept. Yes, this is known as Deva Rin. Second is the Pitra Rin. We pay or we repay the debts to our ancestors who have paved the path of life for all of us. In the Bengali culture, we pay this very rin in the day of Mahalaya, and we do tarpan and repay all the rins, which is known as the Pitri Rin. Third is the Manushya Rin. This rin or this debt is purely dedicated to the humanity. हम इस ऋण को कैसे चुका सकते हैं? हम इस ऋण को चुका सकते हैं by treating our other fellow human beings with kindness, with love, with respect and all. Fourth is the Bhut Rin. This is the rin or debt that we repay to the nature, to the plants, to the animals. Our survival is deeply dependent on them. We repay this debt through acts of conservation, sustainable living and performing the Pancha Mantra Yajna. This is the debt to nature, encompassing plants, animals and the environment. Our survival is deeply dependent on them. We repay this debt through acts of conservation, sustainable living and performing the Pancha Maha Yajna. Sixth is the Rishi Rin. This is the debt we owe to the rishis and munis of the past. They have gifted us with knowledge and wisdom. We can honor this debt by engaging in the pursuit of knowledge. तो ये एक बहुत ही छोटा सा वीडियो था फ्रॉम द फिलॉसफी पार्ट. इफ यू एंजॉय वीडियोस फ्रॉम द फिलॉसफी पार्ट ऑफ योगा, यू कैन डू लेट अस नो. अगर आपको इसी टॉपिक पे और डीप डाइव करना है, यू कैन जस्ट एनरोल फॉर आवर ऑनलाइन योगा TTC. वी आर एफिलिएटेड अंडर द इंडियन योगा एसोसिएशन. To register for our online yoga TTC, you can just call our team on this very number and register yourself. I hope this video helped. Thank you.